Cold catch you. Huh? So for this regard this. Huh?
It's not a glitter?
Ghost.
Huh?
She's asking if it's not a ghost. That
Are you
was
no
also-
ghost? You are chanting holy names, you have no faith, holy names. One who chant holy names, ghost not.
Come approach that
Come.
person.
The ghost coming, he
Ah.
Why was I so scared though?
Huh?
Why was I so scared that I couldn't move or speak?
maybe Radharani came, you are saying there is ghost.
Okay. Okay.
Ghost not come.
Okay.
Why ghost will come? Ghost coming, those who are committing offenses and doing bad things, then ghost coming. These are written in Shastra. Will you close this? Because I thought I directly hit my...
Could you explain about the meaning of the Vibhari Shesha, the names of Vibhari Shesha?
Vibhavuri Shesha.
Yesterday you told me that.
Mukunda Murari.
It is nice, good, huh? Yeah. Vibhavuri, this is called end of night. Vibhavuri Shesha Aluka Pravesha Nidra Chari Uta Jiva. Now night is end and about to dawn. Sun rise, almost sun rises, sun rays is coming. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he is chanting holy names and remembering pastimes of divine couple Radha and Krishna. There are two ways. One way of Krishna Parvaksha, meaning in the side of Krishna, or another is called Radha Parvaksha, the explanation about in the side of Srimati Radhika. Here Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he absorbs in his transcendental constant form. That is called Kamal Manjari. Right? And chanting Lord's sweet names, Krishna's names. Actually remembering the pastimes of Jugal and Kishore. Jugal Kishore, understand? What is that? Divine couple of Radha and Krishna. Because there are no difference holy names and Sri Hari. So in this way Bhaktivinoda Thakur is remembering, externally chanting Vibhavuri Shesha Aloka Pravesa Nidra Chari Utha Jiva Bala Hari Hari Kunda Murari Rama Krishna Hayagriva. Jiva means here. Jiva means not the meaning here living entity. Externally saying. Understand? Oh living entities, why are you sleeping? Wake up. How long you sleep? On your bed, on the lap of Maya. The external. Understand? But in his mind he is remembering sweet pastimes of Radha Krishna's Nishanta Vela. Nishanta Vela, the end of night. Vibhavari Shesha Aluka Pravesha. So Vrindadevi she is very anxious, worried. Because Radha and Krishna, they are sleeping. Because last night they did so much dancing, singing, among first times. For this regard, now they are tired. They are tired. They cannot wake up. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur remembering Vibhavari se so aluka pravesh nidra chhadi uthe jiva. Here jiva, this word actually upalakhan. Upalakhan means external saying to this. Because love is not saying direct. Love, this word by expression, not in direct speaking. Love is called always kurkedoy. Premo bakra jatha ohi revo. Then prem, love, is as like goes the snake. Snake goes his way. Always crooked way. In the same way, aprakita prem, transcendental love, and always going a crooked way. So for this regard, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Vibhavari se so aluka pravesh nidra chhadi utho jivo. Just went to what is called ordinary way. Simply everybody is saying, okay, everybody wake up. But internal meaning is what? Radha Krishna, they are taking rest. So Vrindadevi, she is, what is called? Wake them up. You look how the rays of sun coming. So you have to wake up. Otherwise, Brajavasis, they will come out from their house and see. The big problem will come. So the Vibhavari is so aluka nidra chhadi uthe jiva. Bolo Hari Hari. Chant Hari Hari name. The simple. But Hari Hari means is what? Because Radha and Krishna, now they are sleeping deeply. How they are deeply sleeping? Hari Hari. Hari means Harayati, Krishna Manam. Or Harayati Radha Manam. Then that means Srimati Radhika and Krishna. Both they also embraced each other and tightly embraced Harayati. They cannot separate to each other. All the Nishanta are coming in this way. So Hari Hari, Bala Hari Hari, Mukunda Murari. Why Mukunda? Mukti Dadati. Mukti means here. Free from all kinds of attachment. Understand? This is called mukti. That means here indicates in this word, mukti means both should be separate. Understand? Now you are what is called? United together. But now sun ray is coming. It should be separate. So Mukunda, Bala Hari Hari Mukunda. Or saying this, how long you embrace to each others and embrace and kissing, because Krishna's face is as like Mukunda flowers. Kunda Puspavata Mukham iti Mukunda. Krishna's face is as like very nice, beautiful, attractive Kunda flowers, Bala Hari Hari Mukunda Murari. Krishna's name is also called Murari. Here Mur Ari Murari. Krishna, he killed Mur demon. For this regard his name is called Murari. But this is external. Internal, Mur, that means transcendental divine love. The Sanskrit word that is called divine love, that is called Mur, means calm. Bolo Hari Hari Mukunda Murari. Hey Krishna, don't what is called attach to each others. You have to separate, go back your home, and Srimati Radhika, she should return back her home. Understand this? There are many meanings of Murari. Bolo Hari Hari Mukunda Murari. Then Ram or Krishna. Ram Krishna means, here Ram means Ramayati. Ram means not the name of Dasarathi Ram, the son of Dasarat Maharaj. Even not the name of Balaram. Extended thing Ram, Balaram. But here is not. They use this word. Ram means Ramayati Rama. Krishna always playing with Srimati Radhika. Understand? So now he is saying everything is what? Vrindadevi give instruction. How to separate. Because after meeting, then you have to separate. Milan, Viraha. Then Viraha, Milan. Here Krishna. When Krishna so much attached with Srimati Radhika. So for this reason, you have to separate. Bala Hari Hari Mukunda Murari. Rama, Rama Krishna. Here Ram means Krishna, who is very nice, beautiful, attractive body or everything. That is called Rama. Ramayati iti Rama. Ramayati means who is playing with Srimati Radhika. He is saying this. Or then Krishna means he attracts to them. Bala Hari Hari Mukunda Murari Ram Krishna Hayagriv. The name is given Hayagriv. Lord manifested in the form of one incarnation, name is called Hayagriv. Hayagriv incarnation. Hayagriv means whose neck or he as like horse. Hayagriv Bhagavan. Hayagriv Bhagavan, Lord manifests in the incarnation of horse to protect the Vedas. Understand? For this regard, Lord, one name is called Hayagriv Bhagavan. Here Hayagriva is what? That means they are saying you have to leave this place, go. Because horse, they are very calm and quiet. But when the female horse coming, then mind very disturbed. Understand? Once gopis also joked with Krishna. Ye Krishna, why not follow the rules and regulations of the Shastra? Then Krishna said, I am brahmachari. You are brahmachari, which brahmachari? Krishna told, yes, I am following all the rules and regulations. I am brahmachari. Then Gopi told, yes, you are nice brahmachari. Which brahmachari? Horse brahmachari. Understand? What the horse brahmachari means? Horse, when they are staying alone, they are very calm and quiet. Or when horse coming very close to female horse, then his mind will differ. So for their gopis, they joked with Krishna. Hey Krishna, you are as like horse brahmachari. Understand? These types of their joke, this Leela is going in there. So that means in the separation, that remembering this meeting Leela. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur chanting holy names and remembering this. First he is saying Hayagriva Bhagavan, who manifests in the form of incarnation of horse. How to protect the Vedas. Different kalpas. Lord manifested different incarnation. But here Bhaktivinoda Thakur remembering this Leela. Then Hayagriva, then which name is coming? Nisingha Vamana. Now coming Nisinghadev Katha. Nisingha Avatar means very aggressive mood. Ugra Murti. When Ugra Murti coming? Nisinghadev Bhagavan truth function. He is very angry with the non-devotee, or he is very love and affection with his devotees. Nisinghadev is very angry with Hiranyakashipu, but he has so much love and affection with Prahlad Maharaj. So Nisingha Avatar. Taking the name Nishingaram coming. Understand this? Srimati Radhika is also Krishna's all incarnation in Srimati Radhika. Srimati Radhika, Krishna told also, hey Radhe, I have many incarnations. In the same also you have many incarnations. Understand? You are an incarnation of fish, mean. You are an incarnation of and kurma. Kurma means tortoise. Understand? Srila Rupa Goswami Pad very nicely explained this to Katha also. Matsya kurma Varaha Nising. How? Then Krishna explained very nicely step by step. Matsya avatar. Srimati Radhika also she is called the incarnation of fish. What is that? How you can understand? Chant holy names.
Mati Radhika is also Matsya Avatar.
Matsya avatar. What is the Matsya avatar? Her eyes are very beautiful, as like mean. So mean means for fish. So Srimati Radhika's one name is called Meenakshi. What is your name? Meenakshi. Srimati Radhika 1008 names. The name also Srimati Radhika, our name is called Meenakshi. Meena Okchi Meenakshi. Means one's eyes as like fish. So Krishna explained one by one. Understand this? Mean means fish. Fish they are very, what is it called? Restless. Fish cannot stay one place. Always jumping, moving in this way. And that means what? Srimati Radhika's eyes, very restless eyes. Very beautiful and attractive. Understand? This thing. And eyes are going from here to here. Long eyes. Understand? And mean, what is called the fish, they are what is called very, what is called lassi also. Jumping here and there. So for this regard is called also what is called Meenakshi. Srimati Radhika eyes always restless. Understand? These are things. And then Kurma, Matsya, Kurma avatar. Srimati Radhika is also Kurma avatar. I will tell you that. Are chant holy names, now will not control your last anger, stupid, nonsense, rascal. So how to listen this katha? Understand? Those who are not controlled, they are last, anger, stupid, nonsense, rascal. They have to read and practice Rupa Goswami, the first slok, Upadishamritam. Vacho Vegam, Manuso Krodho Vegam, Jiya Vegam, Udar Upasta Vegam, Etani Vegam, Jo Vishoti Dhiro, Sarvam Pivang, Prithvi Sasisa. Right? If you not control your Vacho Veg, urges of your speech, so what to understand this? Ulatia body cup, naparini bite. And if you drink the cough syrup, but if you not follow the rules, then that cough will be what? Increase, not decrease. Bad reaction will come. You have to drink the cough syrup and simultaneously follow the diet. The written is there. You take this cough syrup, and also written, don't eat banana. You like banana or not? Yes. Don't drink milk, yogurt. Written is there because you have cough mucus. Or if you take the both simultaneously, then it will be increased, not be decreased. Big problem will come. For this regard, Shastra is saying this way. First to control your urges of your senses. Vacha vegam, manasa krodha vegam, jiha vegam, udarapastha vegam, etan vegam ju vishate dhira, sarvam pimam prithivim sasisat. Otherwise you become sahajya. Or impersonalist. Then you will give up everything. If you are not qualified, or if you listen high level katha, then one day you will become sahajya or impartial. You give up everything. Or maybe completely what? Materialist. Vishay ban jao. So little doubt to listen and how to digest. Understand? Otherwise big problem will come in your life. Your spiritual life will be completely what? Spoiled. Na ghat ka rahega, na ghar ka rahega. You understand? As like
Throwing
what is called?
up.
The dog of washerman. Washerman understand? धोबी का कुत्ता हो जाओ, कोई काम का नहीं आएगा. You understand? No? Washerman understand? You are washing the cloth. Understand? India people, they are one kinds of people. They washing the cloth. That is called dhobi. What is that? Dhobi. They are. This is their business. Understand? Now everybody's house is what got washing machine. So everybody doing this way. But this system. So in the house of the washerman, the dog. The dog is not belongs to someone, just here and there. Street dog. That the proverb is coming. No ghat ka, no ghar ka. No this side, not this side. Only useless. Life will be spoiled. So be careful. You listen, but little, how much you digest. Understand? दिने दिने विधि हो रति चरण तुम्हार. भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर की दिने दिने माने day by day, slowly. Deep attachment with your name, holy name. So in the same way, you can listen, but how much you digest. Do bhajan and sadhan. And remember Guru and Krishna, then slowly will come. This is very important. Without what is called loyalty. Loyalty not Guru. So what you listen this katha? Useless. You read Gaura Ganga Goswami Maharaj lecture. Heavy, chastised. And he speaks of the sweet Lila Katha. Both. Otherwise, useless life. Anyhow, you have come. I don't know if you have come. Which reason? With your Sukriti or accidentally? This is the question. If you have come accidentally, then ciao. Ciao. Tata, bye. Huh? Very carefully. Anyhow, Krishna, he is very merciful. Eh? And Krishna brought to you. Eh? In Krishna consciousness. So be carefully, do bhajan and sadhana. Eh? Nowadays, how also people they are writing stupid nonsense to Guru and everything. Huh? I cannot imagine. We never use this word Guru and Vaishnavas also. Eh? I'm surprised sometimes. What kinds of people coming now? They are coming from which? Brahmando. I cannot understand. I'm surprised also sometimes. They are coming from which Brahmando? And Krishna sent there. Oh my God. Why they are taking Diksha Harinam? I cannot understand. Huh? Understand? So sometimes I also thank you, my God. We never use these words, our Guru and Vaishnavas. Huh?
Type of language.
Huh?
This kind of language.
This kind of language they are using.
They're disrespectful or what kind is not proper?
Huh?
Not understanding their position of Guru Vaishnava.
This is very, very dangerous. Huh? So, I sometimes when reading their message, then we surprised. Huh? What kinds of people? They are coming from which Brahmando? Sometimes thinking. Eh? We also associate with 40 years, more than 40 years, no? Eh? Guru and Vaishnavas. We never write or we never also spoke these.
Heard or seen.
Eh?
Never speak, heard, seen.
Why this word is coming from their heart?
What kind of things are improper? Like
Huh?
what kind of
You cannot use any harsh word to Guru and Vaishnava. You cannot write. You have no.
criticizing person?
Yeah. You have no right. Everybody have to stay your own level. Yeah. You cannot disrespect. And even you cannot disrespect the, what is it called? Eh? And social people.
Not on a mundane level.
Even the mundane people you cannot wish. What will say to the Guru Vaishnava? Eh? Understand? If you walk in the street, give respect to the social etiquette. Eh? But those who have no social etiquette, so how possible they develop the spiritual life? For this regard, my Gurudev used one Bengali word. Jar nai kandak gyan, tar hai dibba gyan. Who has no common sense. How possible will attain the transcendental knowledge? My Gurudev always use this word. Jar nai kandak gyan, tar hai dibba gyan. Impossible. Very important. Give respect to, because this material world. Give the respect to others. And if you think Gurudev he is not Guru, okay, in your conception you thinking he is not Guru, stupid nonsense. You cannot also disrespect. Simple. We never use this word. They are thinking Guru is as like stupid nonsense, not rascal. So very carefully. What will speak about the Vibhavari says so? 1,000 people are listening internet. What will they listen? You try to understand. And I remember when Gurudev Saranand Goswami Maharaj spoke Hari Katha, all you are listening. And we never also criticize to him also. And nowadays, even disciples, those who taken Diksha Harinam, they are criticized to Guru. They are not, this is called the Bacha Begam. So what will speak? Vibhavari se so aluko pravesa, nidra chhadi utho jiva, balo hari hari, mukunda murari. Rama Krishna Hayagriva. These are things. Very carefully. We are trying to help the jivas. What do you listen from our Guru Vargas? We want to help. Understand? This is our duty. Very careful. Anyhow, what we speak, and speaking many times high level katha, low level katha, chastisement. We know the conditioned soul as like the scorpion. Scorpion answer. I know these things. One sadhu, he was taking bath in the river and strong current. In the meantime, one scorpion drowning in the water. Then sadhu's heart melted. Sadhu took that the scorpion on his hand. But nature of the scorpion, stinging, bite. Has so much, and what is called poison. In the hand of the sadhu. Sadhu's heart, sadhu's hand sick. Then the scorpion again fall into the water. Then sadhu again taking. At this nature of the scorpion again biting. Sadhu again and again. Taking the scorpion and try to save the scorpion. Because sadhu knows he will die. This scorpion will die soon. In the meantime, one person saw, hey sadhu, what you are doing? Hey, look. And I try to save this scorpion, but scorpion again and again stinging. Bite. What will do? Then that person, he told, okay, let him to go die. Then sadhu told, how possible? Understand? That the scorpion, he does not want to give up his nature, sabhav. So I am sadhu, how possible I give up my sabhav, nature? This is the process. This is the process. Sadhu sabhav is what? It is nature of the sadhu to help the jivas. Our nature of the conditional soul, scorpion. And avoid. Understand? So be carefully do bhajan and sadhana. Chant, hulin, do bhajan and sadhana. Listen Hari Katha. And practice yourself. If you not understand, you can ask. So I can understand what is the meaning of this verse. Very nice. Vibhavari says, so, aluka pravesa nidra chhadi utho jiva. Bolo Hari Hari Mukunda Murari Ram Krishna.
Vamana Parashuram, Ram, Balaram.
So Nisingha or Vamana. Nisingha avatar means he was very Ugramurti. Understand this? Ugramurti, very, very. Already I told. Nisinghadev is very aggressive, angry with a non-devotee. But he has so much love and affection with the devotee. Prahlad Maharaj. But here Bhaktivinoda Thakur is thinking. Srimati Radhika, when she did Man is what there? Nisingha avatar. Nisingha avatar. Srimati Radhika, she is very angry. Understand? Nisingha avatar. Rupa Goswami Pada explained very nice also this way. Very angry mood. Then another who is coming? Vamana avatar. What is the duty of Vamana avatar? To cheat him. Vamana avatar, incarnation of Vamandev, he also says Bali Maharaj. How did he cheat? Vamandev Bhagavan, he saw his small feet. Understand? He told, I am Brahman boy. Just I want 3-step land, Tripad Bhumi. And that land I will take with measurement with my own feet. But when Bali Maharaj gave, that time he manifested his big feet. Where is coming these big feet? You saw this one, 1.5 inch. So you have to take that land, 1.5 inch land. This is wrong. But when he is taking, then he manifested big. So this is cheating or not? So cheating. Cheating propensity. Cheating propensity. So think this. Vamana avatar. Showing this way. Then coming Sri Madhusudan. What is the Madhusudan? Madhusudayati iti Madhusudan. Then in this way, Krishna always is relishing the sweet nectar from the inner court of Srimati Radhika. Krishna always was drinking sweet nectar. Madhusudayati, Madhusudan. Madhu means honey, nectar. Where is that? In the heart of Srimati Radhika. Krishna is as like black bee. The nature of black bee is what? That's all. Taking the nectar from the lotus. So Srimati Radhika, she is like lotus, or Krishna is as like black. Madhusudan. Remember these things. That Bhaktivinoda Thakur remembering this Leela in transition to all Guru Vrindavan. How Krishna is always collect the sweet honey from the inner court of Srimati Radhika. Eh? This is the thing. So saying this way. Bala Hari Hari Mukunda Murari Rama Krishna Hayagri. Eh? Nisingha Vamana Srimadu Sudana. Then coming Brajendra Nandana Sam. Eh? But who is Krishna? Varinandan, who is the son of Nanda Maharaj. That's God. Samsana Nanda Maharaj. Eh? He's coming in this. Eh? Because only Nandanandan Krishna is called Dhir Lalit Krishna. Dhir Lalit Nayak. Eh? Only Dhir Lalit Nayak, eh? Krishna, he has these qualities. What qualities? Enjoying the sweet nectar from the heart of Srimati Radhika. Not others. Krishna's many incarnations. This is true. But Nandanandan Krishna is origin, and with his this mood he can, what is called? Relish. Because Krishna is called Dhir Lalit Nayak. Who is Dhir Lalit Nayak? He has 4 qualifications. Vidagdhata, Parihasputu, or Preyasi Vasibhut, or Navajauvanancha, and Nischintata. These are 4 qualifications of Dhir Lalit Nayak. And Krishna is not king. Krishna is called son of king. You understand? Nanda Maharaj is the king of Braj. So the Brajendra. Braja Indra Brajendra. And who is the king of Braj? Nandan means his son. So means Nanda Maharaj's son, Krishna. So then Brajendra Nandan. Nandanandan Krishna. Is called Dhir Lalit Nayak. Dhir Lalit Nayak, these qualifications. All he is playing with his own consort. And completely Vasibhut means completely Vasibhuta. Vasibhuta means control. Controlled by Srimati Radhika. Nirantarang Vasikrita Pratiti Nanda Nandane Kada Kari Sasya Mang Kripa Katak Shobhajan. Srimati Radhika, she knows. Where will Krishna go? Understand? If you go Chandravali, again he will come back. Because Srimati Radhika, she knows. She is complete confidence. Only I will give highest prem to him. Chandravali cannot give. Where she will go? Where you will go? Then again come back. What will go? Patiti Nanda Nandane Kada Kari Sasya Mang. Or another thing, Srimati Radhika heavy chastised to Krishna. But why? Srimati Radhika says, why did you go there? Heavy chastised. Because if Krishna will go to Chandravali Kunja, Krishna is not happy. Or if Krishna is not happy, then Krishna's heart will be distressed or not. Then say, hey, don't go there, come here. So in the same way, Srimati Radhika, she heavy chastised. So showing this, she knows. The Patiti Nanda Nandane, what is called? निरंतरं वशीकृता प्रतितिनंदनंदने कदा करी सस्य मांग कृपा कटाक्ष भाजन. Nandandan Krishna is controlled by Srimati Radhika. You understand? Where is the, what is called? No, if you catch the fish, that the, or the strings, what is called? Fishing line. Already fish, you swallow the hook. Where you go? Many fish is also running here and there. Don't come out from the water. And the fisherman giving the more line. Go. How much you to go? Then fish also running. When it become very tired, then fisherman, what is it called? Reels, and coming out. So in the same way, Srimati Radhika, she knows. You have to go. Why did you go to here and there? Chastise. Prem Sampurna Grantha. Vishwanath Chakravarti explained this way also. Devangana, she asked to Srimati Radhika, why do you angry with Krishna? You love to Krishna. Then Srimati Radhika said, actually I did not angry with him. Understand? Just I chastisement is what? This is love and affection. So the nirantarang vasikrita pratiti nandane kada kurisa. So Rama, what is it called? Brajanandana Sam. Brajanandan ho gaya. Then Sam naam is here. Krishna name is called Sam. Why Krishna name is called Sam? More and more deep meaning coming. Understand this? Very nice. This Sam, this word used in two ways. One is called Sam and it's called Sham. One is called Sam. Sam means the one who speaks very sweet words. That is called Sam. Or one is called Sham. S-H-Y-A-M. That is called Sham. Or another is called Sam. And Sam, Dam, Dandavid. Sam. Sam means is what? In the political people that use the four things. Sam, Dam, Danda, Ved. What is called? Divide and rules. Divide and rules. This is called is what? Political. Political people, they are used this way. And here the Sam means they speak very sweet words, and eloquent words, charming the people, attract the people. This is Sam. So Krishna is very tricky, because he is called Dhir Lalidanak. He is expert how to speak eloquent words. Eloquent words. This is Sam. Just to give an example. Once Radha and Krishna meeting together. Then Srimati Krishna told, hey, Chandra. Then Srimati Radhika became very angry. Srimati Radhika told, you was sitting with me and remember to Chandravali. Krishna told, no, you did not listen my complete sentence. Well, what is that? I want to say, Chandranane. That means, hey Srimati Radhike, your face is as like moon. But you did not listen complete sentence. Just to listen half, then you are angry. Then Krishna tells Srimati, why did not speak quickly? Why did you stop? Understand? Krishna is in this way. Krishna is very tricky. Hey, Chandra, no. So Krishna is very expert how to use this word. His Sam. Understand? Sam or Sham? Or Sham means Shym. Sam means Samaras, Singaras. Singaras Dhara Murti. Chaitanya Chaitamrita Krishna Das Kaviraj Goswami. Krishna actually Sam Singar Rasa Dhara Murti. Krishna is the embodiment of Singaras. All rasas is coming out. Krishna. Rasa Rasa Vaisa Jeva Labdha Nandir Bhavati. Akila Rasamrita Sindhu Paschimocha Ruchiruddha Taraka Pali. Kolito Sama Lolito Radha Priyano Vidhuri Jayati. Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. The invocation sloka. Understand? You learn this sloka. And Akila Rasamrita Sindhu Paschimocha Ruchiruddha Taraka Pali. Kalita Sama Lolito Radha Priyano Vidhuri Jayati. Very nice book. Learning or not? Learn this verse. Very heartfully words it. I say, Akila Rasamrita. Samras means Singaras. Sama Singara iti Vishnu Devataha. Samras means Singaras. That is called topmost Braj Parkar. There is that. There is that. So this Sam, this word is coming. Our Srimati Radhika's name is called Sama. Why Srimati Radhika's name is Sama? Fala. Who knows? Fala.
She speaks also very nice sweet words.
Radhe Sam Sama Sam. One Grantha explain why Srimati Radhika's name is called Sama. Because Srimati Radhika's body in the summer time little bit cool. Or winter time Srimati Radhika's body little bit warm. Understand? When Srimati Radhika just open her mouth, sweet fragrance coming. Automatically the black bees, honey bees, they start to humming. They are thinking this may be one blossom, lotus, Prasfurita Kamal. All they are humming. Mukhavasi. Mukhavasi means sweet fragrance coming. This is Padaghatino Bokula Puspa Prasfurita. When Srimati Radhika she step on the ground, then one kind of flowers. That is called Bokul flowers. Bokul flowers, understand? I think English is saying star flowers, small white color. Very sweet fragrance. Sweet fragrance. And they got Bokul flowers. Maulasri. Very sweet. Even you can also eat. Sweet fragrance. If we too much eat, then intoxication will come. Eh? Understand? When you are a small boy, in the going to the place, and there are many also small there, then we are keeping and put inside our book. Yeah, then when after 1 day, the sweet smell coming. Yeah? Understand? Radha Krishna, they like that flowers garland. Gathia Malatir Mala. Is the one also saying Bokul Mala. That very nice. Very sweet fragrance comes. What do you say? Shama. Bokul Pushpa. Mukho Bhasana Bokul Pushpa. And her chest is always high. So, Srimati Radhika, for this regard, her name is called Shama.
But the connection with the season, like in the summertime she is more warm, in the wintertime more cold.
No, summertime her body is very cool. Her winter time her body warm. The sloka is there. Sita Kale Kadushna. Understand? Grisha Kale and Sitalata. Her body is this. Mukhavasi. Sweet fragrance coming from her mouth automatically. All the black bees and honey bees humming. And sweet fragrance coming. Padaghati no bukula puspadanchati. Sa naika Shama parikirtita. One Gantha is Rasamanjari Gantha. This explained this way. The why Srimati Radhika name is called Shama. So saying the Radhe, Sam. General people think, oh, Krishna name is Sam, so Radhika name is Shama. This is ordinary. Actually, why Srimati Radhika name is called Shama? This reason. And what is saying here? Finish. Putana Ghatana. Okay, maybe later now.
The explanation of this is in Rasamandri Grantha.
You collect this Grantha. You get in Vrindavan. And you get in Vrindavan and get with this Grantha in bookstall. Rasamanjari. A nice Grantha. No. This is, I think, I forget this author. A nice Grantha. You want to learn everything. First digest. Otherwise vomiting coming. Too much Rasgulla. Vomiting. Understand? Every day chant holy names. And 1 lakhs holy name chant. Do bhajan and sadhan. Just listening, you remember. This is enough. Understand? Don't climb on the tree. Don't climb now, top of the tree. Just come on the, what is it called? On the ground of the tree and do pranam to that tree. Hey tree, when will give fruits? Or without, or again and again jumping, take the fruits, then big problem. Wait for the ripen. When it will be ripened, then automatically you are fall down. Then you can
ready to catch.
understand. Then easy to catch and eat. And now this fruit is what? Unripened. And unripened. Kacha hai. Kacha understand? Okay, wait for that. Understand? Baby saying, I'm hungry. Now cooking. Now not cooked. Now cooking. So when cooked, then taste will come. If you not cook proper way, how to eat? Oh, this. Slowly. You can collect this book, but should not read. Understand? Yesterday I told that person, he told, I don't want Gita, but one the devotee gave him by force. After 15 years, then when he was clean, then he read Bhagavad Gita. Look, then he find read Bhagavad Gita, then my heart was. Then I joined in Krishna consciousness. He wrote this. Everything depends on your adhikar. Time is very powerful. So saying, adhikar na lubhiya, siddha deha bhavi, viparjaya buddhitar, saktira abhavi. Bhakti Vinod Thakur, Bhajan Rasa. You read again and Bhajan Rasa, one word. They don't understand. And adhikar na lubhiya, siddha deha bhavi. I have not qualified. Or I think I am this manjari, siddha deha. Consider my form, this manjari, that manjari. Big problem will come. Adhikar na lubhiya, siddha deha bhavi, viparjaya buddhitar, shakti abhavi. So maybe you see why I am saying these things. Just giving some impressions and greed. Understand? One day it will be mature and ripened, they will taste. Just now listen. Understand? Don't try to understand with your knowledge. ज्ञान के द्वारा जानने की प्रयास मत करो. Listen and chant holy names. Understand? Then one day it will be ripened and manifest in what? This is it. Wait. Otherwise, not possible. And one jackal, night time, he was walking and under the, what is it called? Grapes. Very nice, big. Grapes. Grapevine. Okay. You know the big, what is it called? The Chinese grapes?
Oh, yeah.
And inside, no seed. You ate or not? You did not eat. You can go to the shop. Ask the Chinese, you can ask. Chinese grapes. Very big. This size. And inside also, no seed. Understand? One or two, then your nice. More than the sweetest is sweet is I like more than the rasgulla. Yeah. Understand? When the seasonal coming, that time you can see the what is called sopal. Very nice, beautiful color. Understand this? Sometimes Delhi devotees are bringing, no?
Is it white or red?
Which color?
White color or red?
No, white color.
White color.
Yeah.
White color.
White color, big this.
Wow.
You did not see? You are Vairagi, not going in here. Vairagi Baba. Vairagi Baba, understand? Renounced person. Bhagavad Prasad. Sweet. And as like our, what is his name? Raghav Pandit. Now another his name? Who is worshipped to Lord Chaitanya, and he is going to the market and buying the best food, best everything. In Chaitanya, Charitamrita explain what is his name? Raghav Pandit, another. No, another name also. He offered in Thakurji and bring best foods, best and everything. Hari Chaitanya Charitamrita. Explain this. Then one day, one devotee brought one coconut. Understand? And he put in the veranda of Thakurji. Then this devotee, I think what is his name? Raghav Pandit, no. Then he become very angry and he throw that the coconut, green coconut. Because here the dust is coming, how to offer to Thakurji? I love and affection. Sometimes he is going to the market, he is mentioned in Chaitanya Charitamrita. And he is bringing very nice, beautiful fruits and offer to Thakurji. Sometimes then Thakurji ate all his plate. His plate completely what? Empty. And sometimes he offered the coconut and green coconut to Thakurji. Sometimes that coconut water disappear, nothing. Thakurji ate everything, drank everything. Again sometimes that water, inside the coconut water, that means Thakurji took prasad and gave it. Bhagavad Seva. This mood is always. Understand? Yes. And yesterday she went to the market, Radha Sundari. She brought nice, what is it called?
Bread?
No. Biscuits. Good or not? Very nice, tasty. Lovely. It's good mood. Understand? I don't know. She feed her baby or not? And so distributed all the devotees. You took or not?
Yes.
You offered to Thakurji. You offered or not?
You offered. I don't know.
And then distribute the prasad to everybody. Thakurji. Bhavagrahi Janardhan, Lord, accept your mode. This is the process. Bhagavad Seva. Chalo, now 10:30, 9:30, chalo. Then again, what time? 10:30.
We can go on with
Putana Ghatan.
10:30, then we can go further.
Putana Ghatan, very nice. Putana Ghatan means give up the duplicity and hypocrisy. Putana Ghat. Ghat means give up all kinds of your Putana from your heart. Duplicity and Putana means Putna. Put means Pavitra, pure. No means not. Which is not pure. That means impure. That means give up the impurity from your heart. Understand? His name is Putana Ghatana. Krishna is called Putanari. Putana Ori Putanari. Mane is the killer of Putana. So Krishna's one name is called Putanari. Ori mane Shatru. Mane who is the killer of the demon? Putana. And then with Krishna he clean all kinds of our duplicity and hypocrisy. These are Bolo Vrindavan Vihari. Very nice this. Understand? If you want to know, read Gurudev also one lecture very nice this. Just a little bit tell to you. Everything you are not qualified to listen, but still little bit I speaking. Otherwise you will become crazy. Already you are crazy. So if I speak too much, you also more crazy. He is hard of you. You are crazy. No, you are not crazy. You are sober person, gentleman.
When Param Gurudev spoke this lecture, when was it? Can we find?
We can share with you.
You can share? Yes, okay. Please share.
Yeah, Gurudev want to lecture you. I think he did not say complete, no? Only few. Actually, this Gurudev he gave the Hindi class in the house of Delhi one devotee's house. That time I was there. Hindi. No, Gurudev he told the Hindi I remember. Someone transcribed it. Yeah. But Gurudev told there's a Hindi katha in the house of one devotee's house. Understand? These are things.
Yeah, he said that there was in Jiva Goswami Samadhi in Vrindavan. In Jiva Goswami Samadhi, it's saying that Srila told this there. Now the night is over and Srila Bhaktivinoda Narayan Goswami Maharaj at Srila Jiva Goswami Samadhi at Sri Damodar Mandir.
What did he say?